Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by 2x. Next, we have y and we have first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. That's about this one in here. So the integration of negative number 3 over 2s ds, we will have about negative 3 over 2 ln s, and we can put negative number 3 over 2 go inside about natural log in here. And this one we have s to the power of negative number 3 over 2, and we have 1 over s to the power of 3 over 2 in here. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 3 over 2 s to the power of 5 over 2. This one we simplify and we have 1 over s to the power of 1 over 2. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So in this situation, we see that this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This one that is about first derivative of 1 over s to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied by u. If we do this integration, you got about y equals to uv. That means this one we have y over s to the power of 3 over 2. This one we have s to the power of negative 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. This is about 1 over 2. This is about 1 over 2. So number 2 will go in here. Later that we multiply both sides by s to the power of 3 over 2. So we have 4 over 2, and this is about number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.